Hi, my name is Brittany and I own Wrap Me Tender here in Butler, New Jersey, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use a woven wrap to wear a newborn in front wrap cross carry. So first you're going to find the middle marker. This is a size 6 little frog wrap, and I'm going to bring that right under my bust, and I'm going to gather up about the first third of the wrap just so that it isn't so wide across my body. I'm going to bring it behind me, and I'm going to bring each side up over each shoulder. I'm creating an X across my back, and I'm giving myself 2 straps over each shoulder. So I've got my straps here, I've got a pouch here at my waist, and I have an X across my back. And now that's all I have to do to prepare, and now I'm ready for my baby. This is my baby, Juniper. She is 4 weeks old today, and as you can see from her in-arms position, she's sort of transitioning out of being legs in, but when she was born, she was only 6 pounds. So for the first 3 weeks or so, 3 to 4 weeks, she was totally happy to be legs in. And so for those purposes today, I'm going to keep her being legs in, just to show you how to wear a newborn that wants to be legs in. And what we want to do is just replicate the way they want to be held in arms. So she's real scrunched up right now. That tells me she wants to stay in that position, so that's how I'm going to put her in the wrap. So I'm going to bring her high onto my shoulder, and I'm going to bring this top hem up her back. I'm going to get her arms in. And I want enough up her back that I could cover her head, but I don't actually cover it. And now I'm going to take the bottom portion, and I'm just scooping in between her and I. And I want to ensure that her weight is on her butt and not on her toes. So we're making sure she's in a froggy position inside. Yes. So now I'm ready to tighten. I'm going to tighten the cross that goes under first, and I'm going to pull. Now if I just pull down, it's not going to twist around my body, so I need to pull up and back, and you will see this tightening behind her neck. Pulling up and back, that's tightening behind her neck. Middle portion, up and back, that tightens in the middle. And then the outside hem, the outside hem is going to tighten under her bottom. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. It's helpful if you lift the opposite armpit. That way there's not friction stopping your tightening. 2, 3. So now I've got my shoulders nice and tight. I'm going to crisscross under her butt and go underneath and just tie in the back. Tying a double knot. And now I'm ready to go. This, again, is front wrap cross carry with legs in. And if she were to fall asleep and maybe need a little more head support, I can use these passes here to support her head. She doesn't really need it right now, but you can see how if I spread these, it gives me a little more support for her and a little more support for her head. And I've got an X in the back. I've got my passes spread nice and wide. That distributes the weight really comfortably for my back. Thank you very much. Stay tuned for the next video, which will show legs out of the wrap.